Here's a little clip of my video. Be sure to check out my channel for the full video. Thank you, folks. Yeah. Going down. It goes down into the main branch down there. You can see the stone wall built back in the early 1900s by a man named Pearl Sailor, and the branches collectively named, or specifically named for him. But the overall place, yeah, there's the opening. Let's see if I can get up there a little better. Keep an eye out for snakes. Yeah, it goes down in there. Wow. That's awesome. I mean, that stone structure's over 100 years old. You can see it has started to slip some. Very beautiful. Looks like maybe something back up over in there too.